Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your username on your Instagram through iOS. Watch the video till the end so that you'll be able to change your username on your Instagram by yourself. Moving on to the video, open your Instagram app. On the bottom right corner, go to your profile. Now, tap on Edit Profile. Here you can directly see your name, username, pronouns, website, bio, and many more. To change your username, simply tap on Username. Now you can clear this out and type your new username. That may be sometimes the usernames can be similar to others or same to others. In that time you have to change your username. Your username has to be unique than others. It cannot be as same as other person. So when you are done typing your username, tap on Done. So now in this way your username is changed successfully. Tap on Done. Now it is done. Thank you so much for watching till the end. If this video was helpful for you, do like, share, leave a comment down below, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll get notified when we post new videos.